Question number 24. An apartment building has the following distribution of apartments. So it's based on the floor that is located and the number of bedrooms each apartment has. To make things a little bit easier, let's calculate the row totals and the column totals, and let's find the overall total. There we go. So let's answer parts A through D based on this table. If an apartment is selected at random, what is the probability that it is on the second floor, given that it has 2 bedrooms? When you see the word given in a probability question, let's highlight that for reference. We want to use conditional probability. What is the probability of event B occurring given the fact that some event A already took place? So I'm going to use the probability of event B given the fact event A took place. And this is going to equal to the total of the intersection between event B and event A divided by the total that the first event A already took place. In this case, we're trying to find the probability that the apartment is on the second floor, given that it has 2 bedrooms. So I'm going to substitute event B with second floor and event A with 2 bedrooms. So it's going to be the total of apartments that is on the second floor and 2 bedrooms over the total number of apartments with 2 bedrooms. And now we can refer to our table to determine that. For second floor and 2 bedrooms, it is where the events overlap at. Second floor is here. 2 bedrooms is right here. Where do the events overlap at? They overlap at the value of 4. So the intersection of my events is going to be 4. Divided by, well, the number of apartments that has 2 bedrooms. In total, there are 10 apartments. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. 10 apartments with 2 bedrooms. So that's 4 divided by 10, which is 0.4. And that is the answer to this question, to part A. So remember, the word and in this question means the intersection of the events. Question B says, what is the probability that the apartment is on the second floor or it has 2 bedrooms? When you see the word or in a probability question, we want to use the addition rule of probability. And we're going to use addition rule 2. We're going to be under the assumption that the events are not mutually exclusive. So when you see the word or in a probability question, we want to use the addition rule. So the probability of event A or event B happening equals to the probability of event A plus the probability of event B minus the probability of the intersection between event A and event B. And I want to reference that this part right here is going to be the intersection of the events. However, this part is to find the probability. So in our case, the probability of the second floor or 2 bedrooms is going to equal to the probability the apartment is on the second floor plus the probability of having 2 bedrooms minus, I'm going to put it over here, the probability of second floor and 2 bedrooms. I'm going to put 2 rooms to save some room. Okay. So there are 18 apartments in total. Out of 18 apartments, as we can see, there are going to be a total of 6 apartments on the second floor. So the probability of getting an apartment on the second floor is going to be 6 out of 18. So 6 out of 18 plus getting an apartment that has 2 bedrooms. Out of the 18 apartments in this building, we have a total of 10 apartments that has 2 bedrooms. So that's going to be plus 10 out of 18. Minus, to avoid double counting, we must subtract by the intersection of the 2 events. Out of 18 apartments in the building in total, 4 apartments are both on the second floor and has 2 bedrooms. So that's going to be minus 4 over 18. Same denominators, combine the numerators. That is going to be 12 over 18. And we can reduce that to 2/3. And we can have our final answer as 0.67. I think in the enter key, it gives us the fraction, which is okay. But I'm going to circle both. 2/3 or 0.67. Preferably the decimal answer will be the one that I'll take. Letter C. What is the probability that the apartment is on the second floor and has 2 bedrooms? We just answered that part actually, because this part came from part B. The and is the intersection of the events. So now I'm going to point it down here. And if we scroll back up to the top, the intersection between the second floor and the 2 bedrooms is 4. There are 4 apartments that has both second floor and 2 bedrooms out of 18. So that's going to be 4 out of 18. This can be reduced to 2/9. And as a decimal, we get approximately 0.22. And then we can finally answer question D. What is the probability that it is not a 2-bedroom apartment on the second floor? So let's answer the question. It is not a 2-bedroom apartment on the second floor. So it must be on the second floor. So I'm going to circle the second floor. Matter of fact, let me just circle this part. And it is not a 2-bedroom. So we're going to X that out. Because it's not a 2-bedroom on the second floor, that means it could be a 1-bedroom on the second floor or a 3-bedroom apartment on the second floor. When I add those 2 together, that is going to be 2 apartments. 2 apartments that's on the second floor, that is not 2 bedrooms. So that's going to be 2 apartments out of 18 total apartments. So that's 2 out of 18, which is 1 out of 9, which is approximately 0.11. And that is it for number 24. So I hope you understand the probability concepts and the keywords, and I'll catch you around in the next video. Take care.